Hello everyone, this is Amir Pudathaki. I've been working in cycle management for more than 8 years. Today I just want to take you through the project cycle management stages. Different organizations have different stages of project cycle management. However, today I am going to focus on 5 stages of project cycle management. This first one is identification, second design, third implementation, fourth evaluation, and fifth closure. Let's look at a little deeply on each stages of project cycle management. First one is identification. What are the key focuses that we need to put effort on this stage? First is context analysis, then needs assessment, then problem analysis. Context analysis means spatial analysis, which is political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental situation, and how all of those situations are contributing towards the specific need of the area. What are the different needs existing in the area, and what are the different problems existing in the area? If we identify those problems or needs in a proper way, in a correct way, then we can move to the design stage. In this design stage, we can prioritize first all of the needs or problems that are identified in stage 1. There might be 10 number of different needs, different problems. Here during the design stage, we need to first prioritize those needs which are the most pertinent needs of the area or problem of the area. There might be one or two, then we can focus in designing. But both these identification stage and design stage should be consultative. Community's voice, community's representation is really important to correctly, rightly design the project proposal. Here, theory of change is vital, and then log frame is another vital aspect of the project design. Theory of change is a pathway of change, how the project is going to bring changes over the period, how and why. This is important aspect of theory of change. Then logical framework, it's a 4x4 matrix which will, in a vertical manner, there will be objective, outcomes, outputs, and activities. On the horizontal part, there will be indicators, means of verification, and assumption. As you can see here, if we correctly assume the situation right in the beginning, then that's going to contribute in achieving the project targets. Once project is ready, once project is designed, then team needs to develop monitoring and evaluation plan that will contain indicators definition, means of verification, baseline value, endline value, or let's say target, who is going to collect those informations, what are the means of verification those informations. These components will be contained in the M&E plan. Once M&E plan is also done, then finally, before implementation of the project, we need to have baseline assessment of the project based on different indicators. This will help to set target considering current situation on each indicators. Then third one is implementation. Implementation is comparatively longer period of time of the project cycle management. Here, monitoring and reportings are ongoing aspects of implementation that will help to show the progress, challenges, learning, good practices around the project. Whereas monitoring will help to reflect and correct the activities that reflecting on its importance and reflecting whether the project activities are in line with set objectives or not, whether those activities are contributing towards achieving indicators target or not. The implementation stage is a real testing of set objectives and logics of design during design. Here, if the activities are not really contributing towards its set objectives and targets, then we might have to think to redesign here. However, this generally does not happen. However, if projects are designed for long period of time, let's say for five years, and if the context change or needs are no more relevant, those activities set during the design stages are not relevant, then we might have to think through here and add new activities to contribute to the set objectives and goal. And fourth stage of the project cycle management is evaluation. Evaluation will be two types. One is midterm evaluation and other one is final evaluation. Both of the evaluation intends to generate lessons learned throughout the project implementation, giving good lessons for the future to design effective and efficient project in similar context in the future. And the fifth stage of project cycle management is closure. Closure means here if projects are no more necessary in that context, then we might have to hand over to the concerned stakeholders developing sustainability plan, but needs are still existing, needs are not fulfilled, and if the funding is still possible in the similar context, then we might have to redesign. Otherwise, we might have to close the project and move to the next location or next needy areas of the country or wherever. And here in the middle you can see design, monitoring and evaluation related activities. Especially monitoring and evaluation part is ongoing process in each of the stages of this project cycle management. For example, identification, how monitoring is essential in identification. Monitoring is essential in this identification stage to look at whether the process are followed or not, right tools are used or not, right method is applied or not. If right method or process is applied, then correct relevant needs will be generated. Otherwise, if the tools and techniques are wrongly applied or not effectively applied, that may not generate real needs. Similarly, same scenario is in the design stage, whether design process has included community voice or not, whether the needs are properly captured, prioritization is correct or not. If all of these things are not followed correctly, then design may be not very strong. Therefore, monitoring and evaluation part is equally important in all stages of this project cycle management. Let's keep it here for today. Hope this video is helpful. Please feel free to put your comments in the chat box and also like and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.